Napoleon Mateusz Tadeusz Orda was born 11th of February 1807, died 26th of April 1883, was a Polish-Lithuanian musician, pianist, composer, and artist. Best known for numerous sketches of historical sites of the former Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, he also depicted landscapes, urban and rural architecture, churches and palaces of the partitioned Commonwealth, which included the regions of present-day Belarus, Lithuania, Poland, Ukraine, as well as several regions of France, Germany, Portugal, and Switzerland. His works are pencil sketches tinted with watercolour, gouache and sepia.